A cone is made up of. A cone is made from circular sheet of radius √3. So by dividing as sectors maybe. A cone is made from circular sheet. Circular sheet of radius √3 by getting a sector. Yes, given in the form of sector. Sector and giving the cut edges of the remaining pieces together. Cut edges of remaining pieces together. The maximum volume attainable for the cone. The maximum volume of the cone we can calculate. We should calculate. 46%. Let us draw the circle. This is the center. Taken as sectors. This is a sector. By cutting the edge, let us indicate the center C. This is P, this is Q. This is capital R, means radius of the circle. A cone is made from circular sheet of radius given R equal to capital R equal to √3. Capital R I thought as radius of circle. Cutting by sector of giving the cut edges remaining part pieces together, the maximum volume attainable for the cone. Let us draw here cone, same as the sector. But cone has base radius also. So after cutting, that circle became in the form of a cone. He prepared like that. So let here put the name ABC. This is the, using this one only we got. So this is the capital radius. By folding this one we got. So this is small h and this is small r. We can write here using the right angle triangle concept. R square is equal to h square plus r square. So small r square, what is the formula of volume of cone? V equal to 1/3 pi r square. So better to write here small r square is equal to capital R square minus h square. So small r square equal to capital R is √3 here. 3 minus h square I am writing. 3 minus h square. Volume of cone formula. Volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. That is equal to pi by 3 into the, instead of r square you can write 3 minus h square into h. That is equal to pi by 3 into 3h minus h cube. Now you can write this is v, dv by dh. dv by dh is equal to pi by 3 into 3 minus 3h square equal to 0 by using the derivative. So 3h square equal to 3 you can write, and h square is equal to 1, h is equal to 1 only, you don't take plus or minus 1 because height is positive. H is equal to 1. Now what he is asking? Only he is asking volume. So substitute here. So V, let this is first equation. He is asking volume only. From 1 we can write here V is equal to pi by 3 into 3 minus 1, 2. So 2 pi by 3, that's all. 2 pi by 3 is the volume of the piece of cone. 2 pi by 3. Here, third option. Now, let us discuss about 47th question. What is 7th one? The lateral edge of a regular hexagonal pyramid is 1 centimeter. If the volume is maximum, then height must be. Let us draw first of all hexagon. This is center. Let it be side. This is a pyramidal height. Pyramidal edge. How much given? Pyramidal edge, hexagonal pyramid, the ladder edge. This is 1 centimeter edge. Pyramid is having height h. If the volume is maximum, then its height, volume of total volume. So to get the total volume, V is equal to, you should multiply with the base area. Formula h by 3, this is in 9th class mensuration. H by 3 into total, how many equilateral triangle is there in vector concept? In addition, product of vectors level 3, 18th bit I said the concept, total 6 equilateral triangles will be exist in the regular hexagon. So h by 3 into 6 into root 3 by 4 into x square. Because x I thought this is O, A, B, you can put the names here. This is x, this is also x, this is 90 degrees height, perfect height. Let x, here I am writing let x be the side of the, let x be the side of equitriangle. Equitriangle in regular hexagon. Equitriangle in regular hexagon. Edge given 1, height we thought OB is equal to h. Total volume, to get the total value we should multiply with the base height. That is the formula. How many triangles are there? H by 3 into this one formula. H by 3 into anything. Here we got for the total triangles volume is equal to total 6 triangles will be there. Equilateral triangle area root 3 by 4 a square, we know that x we thought this is root 3 by 4 x square. So using OAB I am getting, using triangle, using right angle triangle OAB, you know that 1 is equal to 1 square, I mean 1 square is equal to h square plus x square. X square you can write as x square is equal to 1 minus h square. Let this is 1. Instead of x square we can write 1 minus h square. So V is equal to, this 3 will be getting cancelled in 2 times, so this is 2 times. That's all. So h, here I am writing root 3 by 2, constant taken outside. H into 1 minus h square you can write here. Next step I am writing V is equal to, this is only comma, V is equal to root 3 by 2. V is equal to root 3 by 2 into h minus h cube. To calculate whether the volume is min or max, dV by dh is equal to root 3 by 2 into 1 minus 3h square. 1 minus 3h square equal to 0, 3h square equal to 1, h square equal to 1 by 3 and h is equal to 1 by root 3. Let us see the question what he asked, whether height or volume. If you ask volume you can multiply, height only asked, here it is third option, 47, third option. Let us discuss a variety question, 48th question. Eighth question. Let theta x denote. 48th. Let theta x denote an angle measured in radians, which is obtained by a fixed closed interval 1, 3 on y-axis at a point x on the positive axis. If theta naught is the maximum value of theta x, then pi by theta naught. Try to understand by the diagram. On y-axis 1, 3. So this is 0, 1. He given as this is 1 and 3. This is 3. So here 0, 3. On y-axis 2 points are there. There exist 2 points 0, 1 and 0, 3. At a point P, x, 0 on x-axis I am getting here. This is on y-axis. On y-axis. Let theta x be denote the angle measured in radians, which is obtained by a fixed closed interval 1, 3. That means the value should lie between 1 and 3 on y-axis. So obtained by a fixed interval, that only On y-axis it's okay, a point x on positive axis. If theta naught is maximum value, this is the angle here, this is a line and this is a line. Here this is a theta. He is saying that theta of x, this one, theta of x. If theta naught is maximum value, then find the value pi by theta naught. Okay, let us discuss about slope. Put here the name q and put here the name r. Slope of PQ. In level 3 I said one sum like this. Slope of PQ is equal to 1 minus 0 by 0 minus x. Put here the name m1. 1 minus 0 by 0 minus x. So minus 1 by x you can write here. Next, slope of PR. Slope of PR. Slope of PR is equal to 3 minus 0 by 0 minus x. Put the name here m2. m2 is equal to minus 3 by x. To calculate the angle between the two lines, using the slope formula, we can write here m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So that implies writing here the value tan theta is equal to minus 1 by x plus 3 by x whole by minus 1 by x plus 3 by x whole by 1 plus 3 by x square. This is x square. 1 plus 3 by x square. That implies tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 3 minus 1 here 2 by x into taken into numerator that one as x square by x square plus 3. This is 2 by x into x square by x square plus 3. 2 by x into x square by x square plus 3. 2 by x into x square by x plus 3. X taken, get cancelled here. You can write here tan theta is equal to 2x by x square plus 3. Already he said the angle is in the form of theta x. We got the value, the theta in terms of x. To calculate whether, let here you write as f of x this one. To calculate whether the angle is min or max, f dash x is equal to 0. So x square plus 3 into 2 minus 2x into 2x. u dash minus u dash by v square I am writing here by x square plus 3 whole square equal to 0. So here you can write 2x square plus 6 minus 4x square. 2x square plus 6. So you can write 6 minus 2x square equal to 0. Students, 2x square minus 4x square becomes minus 2x square. 6 minus 2x square equal to 0. 3 minus x square equal to 0. X square is equal to 3. X square is equal to 3. You can write x is equal to root 3. Substitute here. F of root 3 I am writing. F of root 3 is nothing but tan theta. Substitute tan theta here. So it becomes 2 root 3 by 2 root 3 by root 3 whole square, 3 plus 3. So it is 6. 2 and 3 times you will be getting answer. Here you may get the value 1 by root 3. So tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3 we got. 1 by that he is saying theta naught. At theta naught it is maximum, he said the condition. So tan theta not equal to 1 by root 3. So theta naught. So the value theta naught equal to 1 by root 3. Find here I am getting. To find out, you should calculate the value pi by theta naught. So pi by theta naught is equal to pi by 6. The value is 6. Pi by theta naught, the value is 6 here. So it is here, first option. Okay, now let us discuss about 50th question. Before discussing 50th question, we should know about the concept of circle. For the circle, x square plus y square is equal to r square. For the circle, x square plus y square is equal to r square. He is saying the question, find the value For the circle x square plus y square plus r square, find the value of r which the area enclosed by tangents drawn from a point P6, 8 to the circle and chord of contact. First of all, I am saying here concept. Concept of 50th question. Concept of 50th sum. This is a circle, students. Let the circle, whether the circle is having center C 0, 0 or center minus G comma minus F. Anything we can indicate with the letter S. S is equal to x square plus y square. This is a tangent. We can draw two tangents to the circle from an external point. Let this is Px1 comma y1. We know that this is a point of contact. Point of contact. Where the tangent meets the point on the circle is called as a point of contact. Point of contact. This is a chord. This is a chord. Chord means the line segment joining 2 points. Any 2 points on the circle or any curve is called as a chord. The chord, here definition I am writing the concept. The chord which joins the chord which joins 2 points of contact. Which joins 2 points of contact. 2 points of contact is called as chord of contact. Is called as chord of contact. It's okay. Next, once again I am writing the formula which you will be learning in exercise 1b in 2b topic. Length of tangent. Length of tangent drawn from Px1 comma y1 to the circle is root S11. Root S11, the notation is here, instead of x you write x1 and instead of y you write y1. X1 square plus root of x1 square plus y1 square minus r square. Next, let us discuss once again. To calculate the area, before saying 50th question, this much concept is there. Let us write here, this is a P point and this is a Q point and this is a R point. If this is a M or N or anything we can write. This is the perpendicular, PM I am writing. PM equal to perpendicular line from P to QR. To find the area of PQR, that is delta PQR, here I am writing. Delta PQR is equal to half into base into height. Half into this is QR. Base is QR. And height is PM because this is the perpendicular distance. Depends upon this one, you should calculate. This, whenever this is a chord of contact, this is tangent drawn from external point and this is tangent drawn from external point. The perpendicular line meets at midpoint. So using this one, this is right angle triangle, this is hypotenuse, this is a side, square of hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, and this is hypotenuse of for this triangle, square of hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. If we get this one, we can get easily this one using, if it is x, this is x, if it is y, this is y, like that we can do. If we calculate this one, it is enough to calculate the area. This is the concept 1/20 QR into PM. PM we should calculate for that question and QR we should calculate. Regarding QR, we should calculate PQ also. PQ is the length of tangent. Length of tangent we can calculate using this formula, and QM is after calculation perpendicular distance using this one and this one we should calculate QM. Let us discuss about 50th question now. This is the concept. Next, once again formula I am writing here. Equation of Kirchhoff contact. Equation of Kirchhoff contact of circle. Equation of Kirchhoff contact of circle S equal to 0 is S1 equal to 0. So what is the notation of S1, sir? If S is equal to circle equation x square plus y square minus r square, S1 is equal to xx1, this is notation, xx1 plus y1 minus r square. If the circle is x square plus y square plus full equation, standard equation of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, the notation is xx1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c. This is the equation of Kirchhoff contact and notation of S1. Depends upon the whole concept. Now we should discuss about the question number 50. x1, y1, what is the x1, y1 values, or whatever the value he given, an external point, that one we should consider as x1, y1. For the circle, he given x square plus y square plus r square, find the value of r for which the area enclosed by the tangent. This is the equation of circle. X square plus y square is equal to r square, for which the circle, find the value of r for which the area enclosed by tangent drawn from the point P6, 8. Given P6, 8, this is the Kirchhoff contact. P6, 8 we can write here. 6, 8. Let us draw here Q and R. Let this is a perpendicular line M. A perpendicular line M. For the that's all. This is only given data. The value of R we should calculate, which the area enclosed by the tangent drawn from the point P6, 8 to the circle in the Kirchhoff contact. This area, PQR area, is maximum. Then calculate the value of R. Given delta PQR is maximum. This is the data. Delta PQR is the maximum. So like previous discussion, you write the full concept in notes, students. I am not writing here the concept. Length of tangent I am writing here. Length of tangent. Length of tangent PQ is equal to PR. These are same. PQ is equal to PR is equal to root S11. That implies root of, here this is x1, y1. Previously I said that x1 square plus y1 square minus r square over root here. So 6 square plus 8 square minus r square. 100 minus r square you can write. That is PQR, PR, anything, no problem. PQ is equal to PR is equal to root of 100 minus r square. We got this one here. Directly you can write here also. 100 minus r square, this is over root. Here also you can write 100 minus r square. 100 minus r square. Now let us discuss about equation of Kirchhoff contact. Equation of Kirchhoff contact. I said the formula S1 equal to 0. Notation once again I am writing here. Xx1 plus y1 minus r square equal to 0. Here this is x1 y1. So you can write here 6x plus 8y minus r square. 6x plus 8y minus r square is equal to 0 is the equation of Kirchhoff contact. Now I am writing Pm is equal to, students, I said previously that perpendicular distance from P to the Kirchhoff contact. We know that the formula modulus of ax1 plus b1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So here you can write 6 into 6. 6 into 6 plus 8 into 8 minus r square whole by root of 36 plus 64 over modulus. So Pm is equal to, you can write here, 100 minus r square whole by 10. Because 6 6 36 64, it's okay. 100 minus r square whole by 10 we got. This is the Pm. Now here I am writing the triangle. This is M, this is Q, this is P. We got here PQ as 100 minus r square. Using MQ. MQ I am writing using this triangle. MQ square I am writing. MQ square is equal to PQ square minus PM square. PQ square minus PM square. So MQ square. MQ square is equal to, what is the PQ value here? Already we had written root of 100 minus whole square. No need to write root of 100. 100 minus r square. 100 minus r square. 100 minus r square. 100 minus r square minus this is whole square. 100 minus r square. Put a bracket here. This is, once again you should write 100 minus r square whole square by 100. Now we can write, taking common 100 minus r square into 1 minus 100 minus r square whole by 100. That is equal to 100 minus r square. 100 minus r square into, taken here 100 LCM. You can write here 100 minus 100 plus r square whole by 100. So 100 100 get cancelled. 100 minus r square by MQ we can write here. MQ is equal to 100 minus r square into 100 minus r square into r square by 100. MQ is equal to, we got like this. MQ over root you should get. Full root. So MQ I am writing. MQ is equal to 100 minus r square into r whole by 10. Now 2MQ I am writing. QR is equal to QR. QR is equal to 2MQ. So 2r into 100 minus r square whole by 10. Area I am writing in the previous model. Area formula half into base into height. Half into base means here QR. Height means here PM. Here QR is equal to 1 by 2 into 2r into 100 minus r square. Students, this is root MQ, 100 minus r square. This is full root, here root. 100 until there only. 2r into 2MQ is equal to 2r. Okay. Here root is there. Here root is there. QR. Okay. Next, into PM. What is the value of PM? We calculated 100 minus r square. 100 minus r square by 10. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So area A I am writing here. A is equal to r into, you can write here 100 minus r square whole power 3 by 2. We should calculate the radius to find out whether the radius is min or max, whether the area is min or max. R into, this is Vu dash minus Uv dash by V square. 300 minus r square whole power 1 by 2 into minus 2r plus 100 minus r square plus 100 minus r square whole power 3 by 2 into 1 equal to 0. So 3, we can take common, this 2 and 2 get cancelled, this minus is there students, 2 got cancelled. 100 minus r square whole power 1 by 2 you take common. 100 minus r square. 100 minus r square whole power 1 by 2 if you take common, we can write here minus 3r square. minus 3r square. Here 1 by 2 taken common, then 1 should be there. Here you can write 100 minus r square equal to 0. Whether this equal to 0 or this equal to 0, here you can write 100 is equal to r square. So r is equal to 10. If r is equal to 10, 100 minus 100 equal to 0, there will be no 10, it is wrong. R is equal to 10, you don't take, no. So here you can write 100 is equal to 4r square. 100 is equal to 4r square is equal to 25. So r is equal to 5. So this is correct answer. Radius r is equal to 5. In the 50th question, r is equal to 5 is the first option. Let us discuss about 51 question. The shortest distance of 0, 0. The shortest distance of 0, 0 from the curve y is equal to e power x plus e power minus x whole by 2. We know that the function, hyperbolic function, e power x plus e power minus x by 2 is the hyperbolic function. 51 question I am writing here. 51. Y is equal to e power x plus e power minus x 1 by 2. Directly we can write that cos hx. To find the function, whether it is hyperbolic or trigonometric or anything, to find the function is min or max dy by dx equal to 0. Sin hx equal to 0. So we know that x equal to 0 because sin h of 0 is equal to 0. Simply you can substitute here. Y equal to cos h0 is 1. So e power 0 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1 simply. 52. Let us discuss about 52. Further points on the circle, the sum of maximum and minimum value of 4x plus 3y. Again for circle concept I am saying. Concept. I am writing here parametric points. Parametric points of circle. Parametric point of circle. X square plus y square plus, this is general circle. X square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 or x is equal to minus g plus r cos theta, comma, minus f plus r sin theta, where r is equal to the radius formula g square plus f square minus c. G square plus f square minus c. This is the concept. Some staff member used to say like this: x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta, where the circle is in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Anyhow we can write, but you should remember that the number minus g or h indicates the coordinates of center. X-axis, abscissa is minus g and ordinate is minus f, otherwise abscissa is h and ordinate is k. Now let us discuss about the question. Circle. Circle given as x square plus y square minus 2x. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Here center I am writing. Center formula I said here indirectly minus g comma minus f. So this one. Coef of x by 2 and change the symbol. 1. Coef of y by 2 and change the symbol. 1. 1 comma 1. R is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c I said here. So 1 plus 1 minus 1 equal to 1. This is c. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 is given. So x is parametric equation I am writing. Parametric equation. X is equal to h plus minus g plus r cos theta. So 1 plus 1 cos theta. You can write here 1 plus cos theta. Comma y is equal to 1 plus sin theta. parametric points of the circle are 1 plus cos theta and 1 plus sin theta. Now using these parametric points, find the max and min value of 4x plus 3y. Find max comma min. This question he can give in circle chapter and extreme values, period set and extreme values and minimum maximum concept also. So this is multi-concept question. Max comma min value of, find maximum comma minimum value of 4x plus 3y. 4x plus 3y, correct. To calculate that one, 4x plus 3y. That is equal to, we can write here 4 into 1 plus cos theta plus 3 into 1 plus sin theta. We can write this one 4 plus 3 as 7. Now you can write 4 cos theta. This one as 4 cos theta plus 3 sin theta plus 7. You know that the range are max comma min. Range formula c minus root of a square plus b square comma c plus root of a square plus b square. Students, he is asking sum of minimum and maximum. Okay, no problem. Sum of, find max min value of this one and find sum. Range formula c minus root of a square plus b square comma c plus root of a square plus b square over root. C means 7 minus here root of 4 square plus 3 square, it is 5. 7 minus 5 comma 7 plus 5. You can write here 2 comma 12. Sum I am writing. Sum of minimum maximum value 2 plus 12 is equal to 14. This is important question because multi-concept question. Now let us discuss about 53rd question. Third question. Again concept. I am writing here concept of 53rd question. Equation of ellipse I am writing. Standard equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. If he given a greater than b, if he given a greater than b, it is called a general ellipse. This notation is like this. It is general ellipse. This is x-axis. Here a dash are there. These are called vertices. A comma 0, and here minus a comma 0. This is 0 comma b and this is b dash 0 comma minus b. This distance is always max. This distance is maximum distance. Otherwise this distance is maximum distance. This is not maximum, only simple minimum. According to Kepler's laws, Earth revolves around the sun. It is having a focus. This is S, this is S dash. You can try to understand that it is a sun. Two suns will not be, only one sun. Either fix this one or this one. This is an Earth. Earth is moving in the shape of this planet is moving the elliptical shape. Whenever it is revolving elliptical shape, the changes, environment changes regarding the time and date. Let us, this is, if this is a sun, this A is very closest, so it is a summer. The longest day, students, I am saying the longest day is June 21st. Next it is going and rounding round. From here onwards it is reducing. Here it is September 22nd. September 22nd. Next, by reaching this is fixed, this is a sun. it is a large, sorry, this is the shortest, so summer. This is longest, so it is winter. So this is shortest day and longest night, December 22nd. And here it is closing like this. Day is changing, time is changing. So it is the March 21st. This is March 21st. I mean closing to sun. This is the round rotation regarding revolving in the elliptical planet. Earth is moving in the elliptical planet by fixing, keeping sun as fixed. In the similar way, we should try to understand the maximum distance between this one. This is maximum distance. This is March 21st. Maybe this March to September and summer June to this. How many months? 6 months are there. This is a calculation, and by revolving, this is also another calculation is there. Let us discuss about next sum. So this is, if you think this is March and September, 6 months are gap, this is only 3 months left. So this is the longest distance and this is the shortest distance. So this is the shortest. This is longest. Let us discuss about the sum. A greater than, if A less than B, students, if A less than B, that is called as reverted ellipse or inverted ellipse. This becomes B, this is the major axis, this becomes A, this is minor axis. In the general ellipse, this is major axis, major, this is minor, this is major here. This is called as reverted ellipse or inverted ellipse. Now, let us discuss the sum. 53rd question. The point on the curve, 4x square. 4x square plus a square y square. 4x square plus a square y square is equal to 4a square. Condition he given as 4 less than a square less than 8. That farthest point from 0, 2. Farthest point from 0, 2. So let us standardize the equation. I mean divide with 4a square. So you can write here. Divide by 4a square I am writing. So x square by a square you can write, and plus y square by 4 equal to 1. Here 4 less than a square less than 8. 4 less than a square less than 8. That meaning itself is a square greater than 4. So here this is greater than 4. So it indicates general ellipse. A square, here I am writing as a square greater than 4, general ellipse, not reverted or inverted ellipse. General ellipse. In that general ellipse, just we calculated now, the concept now we discussed. This is 0, 0. This is a comma 0, and this is a dash minus a comma 0. Here this is 0 comma. This is b square, students. B square is 2 square. Here you can write under this is 0 minus 2, and this is 0, 2. He is asking farthest point 0, 2 is according to option. This is 0, minus 2 be given. Okay. So 0, 2, this is the answer. So farthest point from this one is option 1 I am writing. Now let us discuss 54th question. Let the f of x be a polynomial. 54th question. F of x be a polynomial of degree 4 having extreme values at x equal to 1. Condition I am writing. First let us discuss about condition. Condition, limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus f of x by x square. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus f of x by x square equal to 3. Then f of, let us discuss about this one. Limit x tends to 0, I am writing here. F of x by x square is equal to 2. F of x by x square is equal to 2. So limit exists here. Whenever a limit exists, he is asking that f of x is a polynomial of degree 4 he given. F of x is a polynomial of degree 4. F f of x is a polynomial of degree 4. Students, remember this question, because the same question you will face in integration second year level 3 14th question. F of x is a polynomial of degree 4. Limit x tends to 0 whenever x square become 2 here. So minimum x square is the, so x square ax power 4 like this. Let us I am writing as f of x is equal to ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square. That's all. Because x square and x square will be getting cancelled. Here the answer will be getting 2. So d by x like that we should not write, because d by 0 infinite like that. So simply keep it. F of x ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square is equal to. So now limit x tends, because now x limit I am writing here. Limit x tends to 0, f of x by x square is equal to, you can write here ax square. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 2. Applying limit also. Applying limit x tends to 0. Then here this becomes 0, this becomes 0. So c is equal to 2. Undoubtedly we can write. Therefore, we got as f of x is equal to ax power 4 plus bx cube. Ax power 4 plus bx cube plus 2x square. Using that limit exist value. Ax cube plus bx cube plus 2x square. Next, let us discuss about the extreme points. F of x is a polynomial having fourth degree. At x is equal to 1 and at x is equal to 2, they are having extreme values. F of x have, I am writing. F of x have extreme values. Extreme values, yet x is equal to 1 comma x is equal to 2. X is equal to 1. What is meant by extreme values? Whether the function is min or max, that decides value. At x equal to 1, it is deciding that whether it is min or max. No problem. That means f dash 1 equal to 0 and f dash 2 is equal to 0. So here we should calculate f dash x. Here I am writing f dash x. F dash x is equal to 4ax cube. 4ax cube plus 3bx square. 4ax cube plus 3bx square plus 4x. 4ax cube plus 3bx square plus 4x. Substitute here f of 1 equal to 0. So we can write here 4a plus 3b. 4a plus 3b plus 4 equal to 0. 4a plus 3b plus 4 equal to 0, comma, f dash 2. If we substitute the value 2 here, 2 cube means 8. 8 4s are 32a. 32a plus 3b into 4. So you can write here 12b plus 4 into 2, 8. This one also equal to 0. This is 8. If you divide with this letter, this equation by 4, we can get here 8a plus 3b plus 2 equal to 0. Let this is first equation and this is second equation. Solving 1 comma 2 we get. In old method I am writing 3 4 4 3. This is 3 2 8 3. This is for A, this is for B, this is for 1. A by 3 2s are 6 minus 3 12, 4s are 12. So minus 6. A by minus 6 is equal to B by 32 minus 8, 24. 1 by 4 is 12 minus 8 is 24, minus 12. 12 minus 24, correct. So A is equal to 1 by 2 and B is equal to minus 2. Therefore, f of x we got as 1 by 2, 1 by 2 x power 4. 1 by 2 x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x square. 1 by 2 x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x square. So now what he is asking, according to options, we can f of 2 he asked. Now f of 2 you substitute. So 2 power 4, 16 by 2 means 8 minus 2 into 2 cube. This is 8 plus 2 into 2 square. This is 8. 2 into 2 cube, students, this is 16. 8, 16, it becomes 0. F of 2 is equal to 0. Now let us discuss the last sum of the level 3. A wire of length 2 units is cut into 2 parts. This is answer 0 here. We got first option, 54th students. We did not give, but it is 0 students. I know, because this is previous mains questions. I think we have discussed in limits also. The same question. Same question you will face in integration level 3 also. But using applications of integration we should do. Last question of level 3, 55. A wire of length 2 units cut into 2 parts. A wire of length 2 units cut into 2 parts which are bent respectively. This is a wire. Wire 2 units. 2 units cut into 2 parts which are bent in the form of square and circle. This is a square, side x is given, and a circle. And this is a circle having radius is given. The sum of the areas of the square and circle so as to minimum, then what is dash? The wire length 2 is equal to the same wire distributed in the form of a circle and a square. So perimeter of square and circumference of circle you can write here. R is equal to 2 minus 4x by 2 pi. So R is equal to 1 minus 2x by pi. Sum of areas is asking. Sum of areas S is equal to x square plus pi r square. S is equal to x square means here only x square, pi into, instead of r square you can write here 1 minus 2x whole square by pi square. Pi and pi will be getting cancelled. You can write here s is equal to x square plus x square plus 1 plus 1 plus 4x square. 1 plus 4x square minus 4x whole by pi. Why you should? Okay, no problem. dx by dx you write, students. dx by dx is equal to 2x plus, this is 1 derivative, this is 8x minus 4 whole by pi equal to 0. So 2 pi x plus 8x minus 4 equal to 0. With 2 you divide it to pi x plus 4 minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Pi x plus 4 equal to 2. No problem. Pi x is equal to minus 2 by pi. This is 4x. Pi x plus 4x equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by pi plus 4 you can write here. X is equal to 2 by pi plus 4. X we got. So what is the R? You write here. From 1 I am writing. From 1, R is equal to 1 by pi taken common. 1 minus 2x. So what is 2 here? 2 is 4 by pi plus 4. So R is equal to 1 by pi into pi plus 4 minus 4 got cancelled. Pi by pi plus 4. So pi get cancelled. R is equal to 1 by pi plus 4. So what is x here? So you can write using these two equations, x is equal to 2r, because 2 into r is equal to x. X is equal to r. Students, this is the previous mains question in 2016 he given. X is equal to 2r we got. But he 55. Okay, x is equal to 2r we got, it is okay. Next I want to discuss with you that already I said this question, this is IPA question. IPA question where there it is L length answer that day also I said pi L by pi plus 4 comma 4L by pi plus 4. If you by heart or if you remember that answer, you can say easily without doing this sum directly pi L by pi plus 4 using application pi L by pi plus 4 comma 4L by pi plus 4. Next, once again you see the question, this question repeated in level 3 15th question. Once you observe level 3 15th question. Yes, a wire length A, there he asked area and here he asked, in IP he asked lengths of pieces, in level 3 15 he asked area, here he is asking the relation between x is equal to r. So you can understand the depth and the importance of maxima minima. Now very happily I can say that level 3 completed, students. Let us discuss about level 4 in next class. Okay.